Hello, Thomil is glad to present its ultra concentrates in 1.8 liter within the new cap-type dosing system, the brand new SMP dosing system. It consists of a full range of highly concentrated cleaning chemicals presented in a 1.8 liter container ready to dilute with a venturi system. The SMP system offers a bottle sealing technology configured from the inside of each bottle without possible manipulation by the worker. These valves are temperature-proof and include an auto-suction reservoir deposit, avoiding mixing chemicals in the dilution process. Dosage of every single product is already calibrated ex-factory. This becomes a guarantee of getting the accurate dosing for every dilution. One dispenser and one single installation for all current and future Thomilmagic Ultra Concentrate products. It integrates two independent venturi systems for filling spray bottles and mop buckets and/or scrubbing machines. With this single dosing system, SMP, any professional can create 7 different ready-to-use products, avoiding a big economical investment on dosing equipment and using a minimum space in the warehouse. The captive system coming from factory avoids using other concentrates out of Thomil. Additionally, the exact dosing is guaranteed on each dilution with no manipulation from the worker. By using ultra concentrates, it optimizes transportation, storage, and merchandising of your product. 80% less space than using ready-to-use chemicals in a standard packaging, 90% less plastic waste by using 1.8 liter plastic ultra concentrated containers. From a sustainability point of view, the SMP captive system can save money and avoid manipulation while increasing efficiency and safety in the dilution process. For more information, please contact export@thomil.com or visit our website. And do not forget to subscribe to our Thomil YouTube channel to be updated. Thank you very much for your time.